Converting a garage into a living space is a popular home improvement project, but it's important to be aware of the regulations and requirements involved. Here's a list of things you need to know before you start converting your garage. Requirements vary significantly between municipalities regarding ceiling height, insulation, window sizes for emergency egress and air ventilation, electrical outlets, plumbing, and more. Most garage conversions require permits. Failing to obtain the necessary permits can result in fines or even having to undo the work. Common permits needed include building permit, electrical permit, plumbing permit, mechanical permit for HVAC. Be prepared for inspections throughout the process to ensure your conversion meets code requirements. You might be required to upgrade other parts of your home, and this can be an unforeseen cost. Planning and design intended use. Determine how the space will be used. Will it be half garage and half apartment, a living room, bedroom, or two-bedroom apartment? As this will influence design choices and building code requirements. Your garage is usually considered non-habitable living space, and this term directly refers to spaces that are not intended for human occupancy and may have limited or no requirements for things like insulation, ventilation, or accessibility. You will be converting it to living space that will require insulation, ventilation, accessibility, and more, sometimes much more. Increased taxes. If the conversion adds substantial value to your property, it will likely lead to a higher assessment and increased property taxes. Floor plan. Create a detailed floor plan that includes the layout of rooms, walls, doors, windows, and utility connections. Ceiling height. Most building codes have minimum ceiling height requirements for habitable rooms. Insulation. Proper insulation is crucial for temperature control and energy efficiency. You'll need insulation in the walls, ceiling, and potentially the floor. Ventilation. Adequate ventilation is essential to prevent moisture buildup and ensure healthy air quality. Fire safety. Don't forget smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors, and potentially a fire sprinkler system. This could be costly because sometimes you will need to make underground utility water supply pipes larger going to your house. Another requirement will be to have proper fire-rated separation between the garage and the main house. Utilities and systems electrical. Plan for sufficient electrical outlets and lighting. Consider dedicated circuits for appliances like refrigerators and microwaves. You'll likely need to upgrade your electrical panel to handle the increased load. Plumbing. If adding a kitchen or bathroom, you'll need to install new plumbing lines for water supply and drainage. This could be expensive. Consider the location of existing plumbing lines to minimize costs. Heating and air conditioning. Determine how you'll heat and cool the space. Extending existing ductwork or installing a separate system, like a mini split, are common options. Water heater. If adding a bathroom or kitchen, you might need a larger water heater to accommodate the increased demand. Gas water heaters usually require ventilation. Specific considerations. Bedrooms. Most building codes have minimum size requirements for bedrooms, and that's usually 70 square feet. Bedrooms typically require a window for emergency egress and natural light. Closets may also be required in bedrooms. Bathrooms. Ensure adequate ventilation to prevent moisture problems, and this could require installing a window or ventilation fan. Consider the placement of plumbing fixtures to minimize costs for the installation of waste, vent, and water supply pipes. Kitchens. If including a kitchen, plan for proper ventilation, range hood, ensure sufficient counter space and storage. Other important factors. Accessibility if the space will be used by someone with mobility challenges. Ensure it meets accessibility requirements. Parking. Consider where you will park your vehicles once the garage is converted. Homeowners insurance. Inform your insurance company about the conversion, as it may affect your policy and cost. Resale value. While a garage conversion can add value to your home, it's important to do it properly to maximize your return on investment. Also, consider contacting your local building department. They can provide specific information on codes and permit requirements in your area. Contractors. Experienced contractors can offer valuable advice and ensure the conversion is done correctly. Architects or designers, they can help you create a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. By carefully considering these factors and planning accordingly, you can ensure a successful and enjoyable garage conversion project. And thanks for watching. To learn more about home building and repairs, visit us at our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.